Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda CX-7 Luxury, stock reference number 5369. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, a set of aftermarket Gestalt 20-inch chrome mags, all with good tyres, left power door mirror, left rear 20-inch Gestalt alloy mag in chrome, tidy rear bumper cover, right rear Gestalt 20-inch aftermarket chrome mag with a good tyre, right front 20-inch Gestalt aftermarket chrome mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror with the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, 6-stack, interior mirror, courtesy lamp with sunroof button, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.